How you doing? My name is Travis, and it's my No 4. You know, I have nieces and nephews, several, and they tend to use my phone a lot. And what little kids can do, very destructive. And I've been searching, looking, couldn't find nobody with the right prices to actually fix my phone. And I just came here to repairs, and it's wonderful. And they really did me justice. I can't lie. And it's quick. Came in, got it done, no more than 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm lost for words, honestly. I usually use this phone for school and business purpose, really, and now I feel like a new man. But definitely, thanks to these guys, I'm back in the business world.